Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be cleaning my kitchen at night and providing you guys with some after dark cleaning motivation. Now on this day when I filmed, it happened to be my birthday, which was Monday the 18th. And I just wanted to spend some time with my kids and not have to worry about the cleaning as the day goes on like I normally would. This mess isn't too bad, but it definitely needs some cleaning after the day and dinner dishes. The products here that I'm showing you are the ones that I'm going to be using in my kitchen tonight. And I also wanted to share something super exciting with you guys. I am currently pregnant with our third baby, but I'm 30 weeks pregnant. I know it's been a while since I've made a cleaning video and I missed you guys so much. But if you're new, welcome. My name is Danielle. I am a mama of 2, soon to be 3. I have a daughter named Peyton and a son named Bryson. They are 9 and 4, and I'm married to my husband Justin, and we live in Wisconsin. So the first things I'm going to do is go ahead and start decluttering the counters, light my absolute favorite candle, and refill the ice cube tray. You guys, run to your local Walmart and pick up this candle. It's from Better Homes and Gardens, and it's in the scent Red Lava Citrus. It smells amazing. It smells like summer to me, and I highly recommend it. Now I'm just going to get started on this huge pile of dishes. I hate having the dishes pile up, but today I just wanted to take some time for me and spend it with my kids, and then when my husband got home from work, just spend time with him too. Okay, so now that that mound of dishes is done, finally, I'm going to go ahead and dry these 2 pots that I have here. Throw the drying towel that I have there on the counter to the wash. And then to wash the dishes in the dishwasher, I'm going to be using one of the Cascade Complete Action Packs in the fresh scent, I think. I think it's a fresh scent. And then to wipe down the counters, I am going to be using the Clorox disinfecting wipes in the lemon scent or lemon fresh scent, something like that. I'm also going to be using the same disinfecting wipes to wipe down most of the fronts of my cabinets. So to clean my sink tonight, I'm going to be using the Dawn antibacterial dish soap in the apple scent and a scrub brush from the Dollar Tree. To wipe down the faucet and around the sink, I'm using this Microban 24-hour multi-purpose and disinfectant cleaner in the citrus scent. I found it at Walmart. I think you might be able to get it at Target too, but I haven't been able to find it there. I've been pretty lucky with Walmart lately. I'm actually really loving it. I think it does a great job. On the back of the bottle, it says to disinfect, spray it on surfaces and let it sit for about 5 minutes before you go ahead and wipe it down. So that's what I'm going to do. To wipe down the soap bottles, I'm just using a Clorox disinfecting wipe just to give those a good wipe down. And then to clean my garbage disposal, I love using these Plink Garbage Disposal Refresher and Cleaner. It makes your drain smell so good. It does a great job. You can find them at Target or Walmart. Okay, so I had to pop on here and tell you guys that cardboard box that's right behind me is a box fort my husband made for our kids. So that's what that box is. Now I'm going to go ahead and remove the kitchen rugs, give them a good shake outside, and sweep the floor. Alright guys, so my kitchen is nice and clean now, and it felt so good to go to bed with a clean kitchen. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video and it gave you the motivation you needed to clean your kitchen or any other part of your home. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed, and if you're new, consider subscribing. I'd love for you to be a part of my YouTube family. Thanks for watching, and have an amazing day or night whenever you're watching this. Bye guys!